So Brian getting hooked up to the sled as he will kick things off in the 2-6 First Street Diesel. Green flags are out. Brian Miller with the Seaver.
Hey, hold on. They run. Oliver, come back here this week till they run.
Too bad.
With the Seaver, getting down there around that 320 mark. So we'll wait to get his official distance. Are not allowed to have hanging weight on the front of the truck. So you'll notice some of these trucks do not have weight boxes out on the front. That is because they are typically competing in the open street diesel division. We wanted to jump up and see what they could do against the 2-6 trucks here tonight. Because in the open street class, they are also allowed to run a 2-6 move board charger. That is the charger limit for 2-6 and the 2-6 First Street diesel class. So Travis Jones getting the chain tight. Has the mark to beat at 313.38. Green flags are out. Work wages wasted.
Didn't do too bad for an open street one. I've seen an open street truck. Huh. Didn't do too bad.
He's going to come to a stop up around that 275 mark. This is all right, so Kyle Masters getting hooked up to the sled. So looking forward to the green flag. That is the mark to beat 313.38. Green flags are out. Kyle Masters. Kyle Masters putting down a good solid run. All right, so Matt Deal getting hooked up to the sled. He'll get that chain tight and wait for the green flag as the mark to beat right now, 3:13.38. He's been running very strong this year, so we'll see what he can do. Green flags are out. Matt Deal working on.
Go down that way.
He's gonna be very close.
Oh, couldn't keep it on the dang light line. What the heck?
Who wants to see the Chevrolet back in the lead?
Oh, that's just a square body.
Renee Dean getting the chain tight as she'll wait for the green flag with the Harvester record.
body. Man.
I think the Chevrolet just took over the lead. We'll wait to get the official mark from the laser. Flag.